What's up, guys? To the 11th day of the 12 Demons of Christmas. Today we're gonna be playing Misfire. You guys know this level. It's the furry level. There's nothing really much to talk about, honestly, because you guys know the deco. It's just the furry deco, and you guys obviously know the song. But I have a bit to talk about with the gameplay. The gameplay is interesting. I did this level as the second hardest, even though it only took like 3 streams and 4K attempts, but it was still pretty difficult at times. Alright, right off the bat, that part is free. Pre-drop is free. Don't tell me it's not. It's free. It's consistent as fuck. It is. Alright, sorry. And that goes for this whole level. Like, it's kind of difficult. Actually, no, it's really difficult to learn, and it can be frustrating at times, especially this part. But then it's like the most consistent shit ever. This is the most consistent demon I've ever played in my entire life, especially that part I just played. It's the most learny, but it's the most consistent. Like, there's parts where I was getting to 40 plus like 3 times in a row. I'm not even joking. You can check my streams. This is the best looking part, but the worst playing part, especially this ball part. This ball part can suck sometimes. Especially that ship part. That ship part, I died there like 20 times from 0 during like one recording. I think it was the only recording where I wasn't streaming, but I died there like 10 times from 0. Oh my god! I got 53 again! It was insane work. Then it gets kind of fun. This part's fine. I enjoy it. Most fun, one of them, arguably the most fun part. I think it's the most interesting part for sure. Can be consistent, but you could die there and choke. And like, I would give you like a tutorial on how to like play these parts. Also, that click is impossible. That blue orb is top 1. What the fuck? Alright, we're back. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but this part is hard. It looks easy. It's only clicks to the sink, but at least for me, this part was impossible. I died there twice from 0. Don't even ask how, but I did. One was the third to last click, which was pretty annoying. I got kind of frustrated a few times. Yeah! But besides that, this was an extremely fun level to play. I love this level, the enjoyment. The biggest criticism is that, like, it's kind of an emotionless level. It doesn't have a lot of life due to it being kind of a joke level. But, like, the gameplay, most consistent shit ever. It's so fun to play. Just don't do it as the hardest. Just like I said on the Ballistic Monk video and the Newa video. Don't play this one as the hardest because it's just... I feel like it wouldn't be fun. That's it. But yeah, this is an extremely fun level. If you can stand the song, then I would definitely play this shit. This is amazing. Alright, completion time. Dude, what the fuck? I'm actually cooked. I'm actually so cooked. I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm just cooked. Like, I'm not beating this tonight. Like... Yo! Yo!
Oh, shit.
Hey! I beat it!
Let's go!
Let's fucking go!
Peanuts, you're just the greatest, obviously.
Let's fucking go!
Alright, Peanut, when's the maid dress beating a stream? Do you want to
Oh
stream?
my goodness, dog.